And we're going to get things over to Weather First meteorologist Grayson Freund. It is going to start looking a lot like summer this week.
It definitely is. I mean, we did have a good start to the week yesterday. We were in the 80s. We had the sun, but today we still have the sun, but temperatures have dropped a little bit. So we are about anywhere from 10 to 15 degrees below where we were yesterday. So it's not going to be cold out today, but it is definitely going to be the coolest day of the week. We'll only have highs today in the lower to mid 70s. We'll start to warm things back up here Tuesday going into Wednesday, back up into the 80s, even 90 degrees on Wednesday and Thursday. But that also means that dew points are going to be on the rise as well. So it's going to be feeling hot and it's going to be feeling humid around here moving through the rest of the week. But today, again, we'll have the sun. It's going to be a fairly calm and quiet day, maybe a few passing clouds, but nothing too much other than that. And going into this evening, again, it's going to be calm, a clear night ahead. But Tuesday, we're going to be starting the day with a mix of sun and clouds, but going into the midday hours and the early afternoon, some areas will see some spotty showers, but those will be moving out of here fairly quickly. We'll be clear going into Tuesday night, but we do have some severe weather on the table here. So for Wednesday, we are looking at a slight risk for our north and northwestern kind of corner of the state here as some storms work their way in. They'll kind of start to fall apart as they get to us here Wednesday evening going into the night, but we do still have that marginal risk for some of our forecast area. And our attention here really shifts to Thursday, specifically Thursday evening. We do have that level 2 out of 5 slight risk for severe weather, and it's still a few days out, so there is still uncertainty in terms of timing and coverage and all of that. But what we do know is we'll be watching for some gusty, damaging winds, but we'll have to see here as it gets a few days closer. But timing that out, what we know right now, again, here's Wednesday. We'll have those stronger storms starting to come into the northwestern part of the state, kind of start to fall apart as they get to us. We may be seeing some scattered to spotty showers Wednesday evening. Thursday morning, though, starting the day off with that first round of rain and strong storms. Those will move out. We'll see some clearage here in the middle of the day, but then the second round of storms comes through Thursday evening into the afternoon into the evening hours, and this is where we have that severe threat, that level 2 out of 5, and again watching for gusty winds, and we'll continue to monitor that as it gets closer here to see what we're going to be watching for here with that. And looking ahead, again, we'll have those rain chances Tuesday. We're going to be starting to warm back up into the 80s here through the next few days. The rain chances return Thursday evening, and we'll be back into the 90s by the end of the week.